Welcome, this is Rozani. Did you know you can create clumps of newspaper pulp that are easy to store by simply removing the pulp from the strainer and letting it dry. Set aside what you're not going to use, and then when it comes time to use it, here's what you do. Put it in a mixing container. Try doing it in small amounts, or you can use the entire clump. It's totally up to you. And of course, if you have larger quantities, use a larger container. Begin adding water. It doesn't have to be that much, just enough to soften it up again. If you haven't made newspaper pulp before, please watch my previous video. I'll leave a link in the description. You can use the same process with colored pulp. The main thing is to reconstitute it. That way, when you need it, you'll be able to use it in small quantities or larger quantities. And all you need to do is add the water, stir it, and separate the fibers. And it doesn't take very long at all. It takes very little time to reconstitute it back to something that you can work with quite easily. Let's do a little bit more. You might ask, why make pulp? Well, you can use it for so many different projects. I love to use it with Papier Mache, but people use it for all kinds of crafts. And when you mix it with liquid starch, you can model it similar to clay. You can create great projects for the entire family. Please visit my playlist so you can see the different topics and projects, recipes, masks, and figurines that can be made using pulp combined with liquid starch. And there you have it. It's that easy. Now it's ready to use for your creative projects. If you've made paper pulp before, you know how much fun it can be and all of the possibilities. I hope this helps you out. Have a great day and keep on creating. Bye for now, and hope to see you next time.